This video is a quick review of the circles you learned in geometry. The general form of a circle is x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared equals r squared, where hk is the center and r is the radius. So you may see a circle in this form. And be asked for the center and radius. Well, the center is h, the number attached to the x variable, with the sign switched. X minus h, this is minus a positive 3. So the x part of the center is 3. Here, this is y minus k, so this plus really came from minus a negative, and that's negative 2. So your center is 3, negative 2. The radius is the square root of 9 because this number represents radius squared. Undo squaring by square rooting. The radius is 3. Now the reason that they'll put a random circle question in Algebra 2 is they want to make sure that you can go from something that looks like this to the general form of a circle. And all it is completing the square. But we get to complete the square twice. Here we go. First, let's get our x's together. So I'm going to put x squared minus 12x together. And then when we get our y's together, plus y squared minus 10y. And anytime we complete the square, we want the constant term moved out of the way. So I'm going to take the minus 39, move it over, and make it a positive 39. So I need to complete the square on my x's, and then complete the square on my y's. It's just two separate completing the squares. Complete the square on your x's. B is negative 12. Half of that, negative 6. Half b squared is 36. So remember, you add the half b squared term to both sides. So I'm going to show the positive 36 over here. And this is a perfect square because inside parentheses, all squared, goes your half b term. Here that's x minus 6. Already, I'm almost done with the equation of my circle. Do the same thing for your y's. So the b term on my y's is negative 10. Half of that is negative 5. Half b squared is 25. Add half b squared to both sides. This left side, when I've added half b squared to it, becomes y in your half b term minus 5 all squared. Combine all of your constants for your radius squared. 15, 20, 3, 6, 8, 10, 100. By two quick completing the squares, we've now written the equation of a circle. We can see that its center is the point 0.65 and its radius is the square root of 100 or 10. That's it. Complete the square twice.